Hey, good evening, everyone. This is Kirk here again with the Bulls and Bears. It is Monday, September 14th. To start the trading week, actually, members and I closed out a couple trades I wanted to go over here with you on the video. Just two longs, actually. CPE, this is one that has been a just knockout for us. We got into this one in early August and closed it out today at about 35% return. You can see that the volume on this thing has just jumped drastically. This might actually be one that we get back into, but not into any price range less than 2. I think that'd be a pretty good entry, somewhere less than 2. But for now, we're going to take some money off the table, absolutely, as the markets continue to get overextended. The other one we closed out is Merck. This is a pretty interesting one I posted about this morning. We actually entered this trade, and let me just delete this here. We actually entered this trade on the day that Merck had this huge gap open. And if you just go back in time, that was on an earnings day, had great earnings, gapped higher. And I said to everyone who emailed me and thought that I was crazy for buying on the gap that the gap would continue. Dissemination of information, or how fast or slow information gets to the market, I thought was going to be pretty slow. So everyone was going to hear about the gap and then slowly buy into the gap later on. And that's exactly what it's done. And you can see that it's had pretty much 5-6 days here of just nonstop closes higher. I think it's really coming to an end here. So again, we might get back into this one at lower prices later on. But for now, we're going to take some money off the table. Made about 15% on this trade. So very, very good looking long trade as well. Okay, the chart I wanted to look at tonight here is of the NASDAQ. And I'm not really going to get into any intraday charts. I feel like I kind of bore you guys with those. But here's a look at the NASDAQ for the past 5 years or so. And what you can see on this chart is that we clearly have this channel that we are trading in 08 and